This video about fading lights on and off shows you a very effective way to add realism to your diorama or model train layout. And the fading process attracts and keeps attention focused on your scene. This video is part of our video series on animating dioramas and model train layouts, all of which can be found in our channel, The World of Rail. So subscribe to see all of them and click the bell to be notified when we add a new video. We also have another series of modeling tutorials, making scenery, making models, and animation procedures in our Facebook page, Model Scenery Tutorials, a link to which is below the video. You are invited to visit that page to see what is there and follow it as we update. The LEDs shown are Christmas light LEDs that I use for testing sketches. The LEDs are attached to the ends of telephone cable on which the second end are soldered mechanical pin headers to make it easy to attach to and disconnect them from an LED control board on which an Arduino Nano is mounted. Learn about this in a link below the video. For best effect, I filmed this in the wee hours of the morning. To fade lights, the lights must be connected to PWM pins. On an Arduino Uno or Nano, there are only 6 PWM pins, so that limits you to fading 6 lights. There are workarounds. One is to use a PWM pin extender. Information is below. And the other is to add more than one LED to a pin. As long as you keep the total load on a pin less than 40 milliamps, just add more LEDs to that pin. Of course, always keep in mind your total board limit of 400 milliamps. The program used in this video to fade these LEDs can be found below. Here is an example of the program being used to fade street and trackside lights on and off. The diorama shown goes through a 24-hour compressed diorama time, that is, sunrise to sunset cycle. The lights fade on at dusk and off at dawn. Complete information about that diorama is also below. We have other diorama animations that use other lighting effects, including arc welders and fires. You can find them in our video channel and Facebook page, Model Scenery Tutorials. If you have any questions, comments, or need help making or animating your own diorama, use the comments box below or contact us through our Facebook page Messenger. I hope this and the information is useful to you. Please give us a like. Have a good day.